Hello and welcome to Engineers Mindset. So in this video, we are going to be looking at interplanar spacing for BCC plane using this question on the board. The question says, find the interplanar spacing for BCC 101 plane having atomic radius of 0.137 Armstrong units. Okay, first of all, what is the interplanar spacing all about? The interplanar spacing by formula DHKL is simply given as A, which is the lattice constant, divided by the square root of, we have h squared plus k squared plus l squared, where h, k, and l tells us the Miller indices for the given plane. Okay, now we are given in this question that the atomic radius arrow is equal to 0.137 Armstrong units. And we know that for BCC structure, which is the body center cubic structure, okay, the relationship between a lattice constant and radius is given simply as 4 arrow all over root 3. Always keep this in mind. The relationship between a lattice constant and the atomic radius for a body center cubic structure is given as 4 arrow divides root 3. So let's find this lattice constant. So this is equal to 4 times atomic radius given there is 0.137 Armstrong units all over the square root of 3. So A is equal to, let's obtain 4 multiplied 0.137. So 4 times 0.137 gives us 0.692 Armstrong units divided by, let's obtain square root of 3. That gives us 1.7321. So this simply implies that the lattice constant A is equal to, let's obtain 0.692 divided by that answer. That gives us approximately 0.40 Armstrong units. So this is now the value of our lattice constant. Now we want to find the interplanar spacing, okay, for the plane. So we are given plane 101. Okay, for this plane, this simply implies that h is equal to 1, k is equal to 0, l is equal to 1. Therefore, the interplanar spacing for the 101 BCC structure becomes A all over, from the formula, A all over the square root of the whole of this. And we got our A to be 0.40 Armstrong units. So you have 0.40 Armstrong units all over the square root of, now, h squared, that is 1 squared, plus k squared, which is 0 squared, plus l squared, which is also 1 squared. Okay, so d of 101 plane is equal to 0.40 Armstrong units divided by the square root of 1 squared is 1, plus 0 squared is off, that's 0, plus 1 squared, 1. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 0.40 Armstrong units all over the square root of 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Alright, so d of 101 is equal to 0.40 Armstrong units divided by square root of 2. That gives us 1.4142. Okay, so let's obtain 0.40 divided by that answer. This implies d of 101 is equal to 0.4 divides 1.4142. That gives us approximately 0.2828 Armstrong units. Alright guys, so that's how you find the interplanar spacing for body center cubic structure. I hope you find this video very interesting and helpful. Please, if you do, I would like you to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Share these videos to your friends, like, and if you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe, and of course, turn on your notification bell to keep getting updates when our next video drop. In the next video, we are going to be looking at planar density for FCC and BCC structure. I will see you in that video. Thanks.